Here's my mower. It's pretty much finished. There's always stuff that you can do though. Add more, rearrange stuff. But it has a 16 horse Tecumseh single cylinder. It's got a 5-speed transaxle. The transaxle's a Fote or Footy or something like that, spelled F-O-O-T-E. That rear end came out of a older Murray, something like that. I don't know, but I wanted a Peerless. I just didn't have one. I mean, I could probably go get one, put it in there, but this one works fine. Transaxle is also locked. Rear end's locked. Slide around corners a little better. Machine's really fun. I think she goes about probably close to 30. Handle's really nice. Everything's solid on it. I made the front end solid. I lowered the front end probably about 3 inches, maybe 4. So it sits front down a little bit. I made an exhaust for it. As you can see, it's pretty heavily modified and body-wise standards. The engine's pretty much stock, but there's no governor on it. Transaxle's stock besides it being locked. But original tires right there that came on it. But yeah, I'll give you a quick tour. There's the powerhouse, 16 horses. Makes the whole thing go round. But yeah, this here is the first thing I wanted to show you for the people that watched my last video. I didn't really get into the steering because I didn't really have it done. This setup works actually pretty nice. It's the original steering brackets for the racket and pinion. I just welded this piece on here, put this hardware on. I put a new tube for the handlebars. Welded this piece on. Connected with the hardware there. Works awesome. Really, it's got a nice tight steering and everything. So I mean, you can see it's pretty tight. The reason why I did that is to lower the ratio for turning the handlebars to the wheels. So I mean, I put handlebars on it. It makes it a lot more fun, easier to drive. But yeah, that's that. Underneath, it is a lot. Pretty much, the steering, anyways, is pretty much the same. My pulley setup. I have let's get in here. Small pulley, and those bars there are just to hold the belt on. I was having a problem with it, so I just made something up. Works really nice. I don't have any problems with belt slipping, falling off, breaking, nothing. The setup actually is first thing I did. This here is my clutch, pretty much. It's just a bar with 2 pulleys on it. Works real nice. It's actually locked right now. But yeah, then I have power pulley. That was actually the the deck pulley, I believe. Oh no, it wouldn't be. I don't know what pulley it is, but it makes it go fast. So, yeah, I lowered the front end, and how I did that was I took this pin out that holds your tire on. I ground the welds off of this bracket here so I could take it off, and then I just brought it down. It probably this bar here, this bracket was probably right up here, pretty close. So I mean, it lowered it that much already, and then I cut out. Where is that? I cut out the frame. Let's see that, and welded her in there. So I mean, it's front end's about 3 or 4 inches lower, I believe. My nice exhaust pipe. Brake works, shifting works, everything works on it. I mean, this was just a winter project that I had, and it's finally, I'm pretty happy with what it is. Yeah, it's really fun and fast. Got lights that work. Not that I'll probably use them. You can see this here. I got a brake handle for the throttle, and that, which was the throttle, is now the choke. My lights. Turn on, turn off. The battery just sits between my legs. The cables pretty much hold it in. I got the shifter right here, a little handy dandy self-made thing. Pretty cool. Even got a hitch. A hitch ball on there. Yeah, it is pretty fun to ride. So if you have any questions, just post. I'll answer them if I can. I know my last video was a long time ago, so I'm not on there that often anymore, but thought I'd give you an update. I mean, I recently just started doing this again, so. Alright, if you have any questions, just shoot me a question and I'll try to answer it.